So I'm just outside the old city of Jerusalem, looking at St. Stephen's Gate.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
This is where it's real at. This is where you feel at. The devil's trying to kill black, but this is where we build at. This is where it's real at. This is where you feel at. The devil's trying to kill black, but this is where we build at. This is where we build at. Obituaries, devil's trying to kill black. This is where you feel. This is where it's real. Devil's trying to kill. Oh, this is where we build at.
Out the dirt, photosynthesis, steady striving and remembrance. That's the wind beneath my wings. Had to wake up so I could live my dreams. Gotta balance things like a ballerine, on vertical toes, on either Lord knows what my future holds. Moving the mountains and opening doors when others were closed. Look to the ceiling when I'm feeling low. Pray to the heavens for healing of souls. Surrounded by walls, conversing with ghosts. My mirror's reflections, a face made of stone. My crib is in pain, if heart is the home. And needed some bread like the sloppiest Joe. I had moved to VA like H to the O. Enrolled in them classes but never would go. Found a Greyhound, got back on the road. That's auto mechanic that hustles for cash. Close from the curb, contained in the glove. Drinking the brewski and flicking the ash. Rotors and paths, prevention of crash. More further the land, the greener the grass. A terrible thing is a mind in the trash. Polluted with filth and a half empty glass. Not over no route, but Roger to that. Rabbits and hat, no magical act. Blue collar in fact. Started from scratch and I'll leave with the same. Jokerless deck with ambition and spades. Faith is the ace while attempting to skate on the thinnest device. Cannot think twice in the bottom of ninth. When bases is loaded in need of a strike.
This is where it's real at. This is where you feel at. The devil's trying to kill black, but this is where we build at. This is where we build at. Obituaries, the devil's trying to kill black. This is where you feel. This is where it's real. The devil's trying to kill. Oh, this is where we build at. Though you try to take a life, know that you can't kill the mind. Though you try to take the mind, just know it's flowing in the sky. Yeah, I do pick up on thoughts. Yeah, I was in the dark. In the dark, I sparked that light, and now I'm back to jumpstart hard. Man, I was born for this. You and that you perform for this. Put in work like chores for this. Kill that verse, need more for this. Freestyle flow can afford to spit. I'm rap god, I'm lord of this. You don't want no war with this. Bring the SK in like pause with this. G and R be cruising in this little place called Jerusalem. 616, we losing it. 616, you lose a friend. 616, these devils pissed. 616,
These devils pissed.
speak that heat, that devil spit. Extinct your peace, I still exist. They tryna throw shit at a star. So I shine on these haters, rhyme on these haters. They lies, they some fakers, I'm alive. Walking on skies on you Vedas. The sky is young, I'm in the sky when I'm chillin'. The sky when you finish, I'm putting in work. Handle my business, racking with bars, get you booked and again. This is where it's real at. This is where you feel at. The devil's trying to kill black, but this is where we build at. This is where we build at. Obituaries, the devil's trying to kill black. This is where you feel. This is where it's real. The devil's trying to kill. Oh, this is where we build at. This is where it's real at. This is where you feel at. The devil's trying to kill black,
Chucky Beat
but this is where you build at.